Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Control. If your Windows PC has suddenly become slow, laggy, or takes forever to open programs, don't panic. And definitely don't reset Windows just yet. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 5 quick fixes that solve the most common causes of a slow PC. Let's fix it. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape, or right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager. Click More Details if necessary. Now click the CPU to sort by usage. If you notice any application using an unusually high amount of CPU memory or disk activity, and it's something you recognize, close it or restart it. Sometimes one application is all it takes to make your entire computer feel slow. Just avoid ending Windows system processes unless you know exactly what they do. Open Start menu, select Power, then choose Restart. I know this sounds simple, but many people leave their computer in sleep mode for days or even weeks. A proper restart clears memory, reloads Windows, and stops background processes that may be causing the performance issues. If you haven't restarted your PC recently, do that before trying anything more complicated. Open Settings, go to System, select Storage. If your system drive is almost full, Windows has less room to work efficiently. If you're running low on space, delete temporary files, empty the recycling bin, or move larger files to another drive. Keeping at least 10 to 15% of your drive free can help Windows perform much more smoothly. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, click Quick Scan. Malware or unwanted software can consume CPU and memory without you realizing it. Even if you think your computer is clean, running a quick scan only takes a few minutes and is always worth checking. Microsoft frequently releases updates that improve performance, stability, and compatibility. If updates are available, install them and restart your computer afterward. Here's a bonus tip. Go back to Task Manager, select Startup Apps. If your computer is only slow when it first starts up, this is one of the first places to check. Disable applications you don't need launching every time Windows starts. The fewer unnecessary startup programs you have, the faster your PC can become ready to use. Hopefully, one of those fixes got your computer running smoothly again. If it did, let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. I'd love to know what solved the problem. If you're looking to make your Windows PC even faster and more productive, check out my Windows 11 settings you should change immediately video next. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Tech Control quick fix videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.